You know that feeling when you see a beautiful piece of handmade clothing and you just think, wow, I wish I could make that? Well, guess what? You can. Today, we're going to show you exactly how. We're diving into an online course that literally turns that wish into a reality, showing you how to transform simple yarn into a stunning, wearable piece of art.
And this quote from the course, it just captures the whole idea perfectly. See, it's not just about learning a craft, right? It's about unlocking your own creativity and turning it into something you can actually hold, something you can wear with so much pride. It really sets the stage for what's going to be a super rewarding journey.
So, our guide for this whole adventure is instructor Tanya Scalazoop and her course on creating elegant crochet cardigans. We're basically going to follow her roadmap, all the way from the very first spark of an idea to a beautifully finished garment. Okay, so what's the final project? It's the Granny Square Cardigan. And hey, before you think old-fashioned, just wait. This course totally reimagines that timeless technique and turns it into a modern fashion statement. And the best part, it's designed to be a canvas for your personal style. It's all about you. All right, so you're probably feeling inspired, but you're wondering, what do I actually need to get started? Let's take a look at the toolkit. And I've got good news for you. It's way more accessible than you might think. So, who is this actually for? Honestly, just about anyone. Whether you're a complete beginner who's super excited to make your very first piece of clothing, or maybe you're already a pro crocheter looking to really get into garment construction and design, this course has something for you. It's all about building on the skills you have or starting from scratch. And this is what makes it so approachable. Seriously, the skills you need are the absolute basics of crochet. We're talking chain stitch, single crochet, and double crochet. That's it. And the materials? Just standard crafting supplies you can find pretty much anywhere. There are literally no major barriers here to getting started. Okay, now this is where the magic really happens. We're moving beyond just, following a pattern. We're stepping into the world of true design, learning how to build a piece that is 100% you. The course is designed to give you these key design skills. So you don't just learn how to make a granny square, you learn how to master it and then totally customize it. You'll even learn how to sketch out your ideas and add those professional details like ribbing, the stuff that gives your cardigan that polished, I bought this at a boutique look. And the whole creative flow is broken down into 3 super clear steps. It all starts with your idea, maybe a little sketch on paper. Then you bring that vision to life by creating the core components, your custom squares. And finally, you elevate the whole design with details like ribbing. It's a really manageable process that takes you from imagination right to creation. All right, so you've designed your squares, you've made them, now what? This next phase is all about construction, turning all those flat little pieces into an actual wearable garment. And I know that might sound intimidating, but trust me, the process is broken down beautifully. The key is just to follow these steps one by one. First, you block the squares. That's just a simple technique to make them all perfectly uniform in size and shape. It gives it that professional finish. Then you assemble the whole thing like a puzzle. And finally, you add those last finishing touches that really complete the piece. And get this, you're not doing it alone. See this number? It represents 19 lessons. That's over 3 hours of step-by-step guidance. So this isn't just some quick tutorial. It's a complete hands-on workshop. So, we've walked through the whole process, but let's talk about the reward. What do you actually have at the end of all this? And maybe more importantly, what new creative doors does it open up for you? The final result is this: your very own custom-fit, professionally finished cardigan. Something you made with your own 2 hands that perfectly captures your style. I mean, can you just imagine the pride you'll feel when someone compliments you on it and you get to say, "Thanks, I made it." Plus, the course itself is just designed for success. It's totally beginner-friendly, you can go completely at your own pace, and, this is huge, you get unlimited access forever. Yep, forever. On top of all that, you're connected to a whole global community of fellow creators, so you've always got support and inspiration. So, now that you've seen how this whole process can take you from just a simple idea to a finished, beautiful garment, there's really only one question left, isn't there? What masterpiece will you create? If you're ready to start that journey and find out the answer to that question, the link to check out the course in all its detail is right there in the description.